Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DF. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Now, I've done this analysis before, but it's been a while, and I think the last time I did it was during this very impressive move. Unfortunately for that, that was just what we would call a dead cat bounce in the world of charts, because that move has totally been destroyed, because not only has the price gone back to where it started, but it's actually gone even lower. So what do I mean by back to where it started? Well, this whole move started off when it was down here and where it bottomed out at, let's see, what is that? Essentially that area there at 90 cents. So again, price came down here to 95 cents, found some support, and then really began to work its way back upwards. So that is where the quote-unquote kind of move started. And that is also the big significant area that, or level that occurred today from the technical perspective is, the price went down to that area, and it's not like it was even close, as meaning maybe if the price had closed at like 88, 89, okay, that's one thing. That's still within the region and the range of this 90-cent mark. But I mean, it went down there and just crashed through that area. So again, not only did the price go back to where that nice movement started, it's now even lower than that. So that's a total dead cat bounce right there. And that also brings into our first key level of resistance going forward, which is based on a foundational rule in charting stating when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So in the event there is any sort of attempted bounce back to the upside, 90 cents now, I would expect to be a pretty stubborn level of resistance. I'm not saying the price can't get above it or break above it or anything like that. I'm just saying that, if I had to guess, my guess is that the bulls are really going to have to bring their A game if they're going to be able to not only break above that level, but then be able to actually stay up above it. So 90 cents, definitely that key level of resistance. And then as far as areas of support are concerned, I mean, I guess I don't know this for sure, but this has got to be the all-time lows. Or if not, it's been lows that have not been seen for literally years upon years. Because here we're going back to 2016, and you can see the price wasn't even anywhere close to here. So the price now sits at all-time lows, and that break of 90 cents definitely kind of, in many senses, potentially the floodgates opening up to a further downwards movement. But you can't say that for sure yet. You still got to see if the price can at least stabilize out here and then make a move back upwards. But as of right now, yeah, a whole lot of bearishness, and we'll see if this is the beginning of a whole new plunge to the downside. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.